Nasa AFP Medical Center ngayon ang sumukong miyembro ng New People's Army matapos ang pakikipag-engkwentro sa militar sa Kamiling, Tarlac. Matatanda ang 6 na miyembro ng NPA ang nasawi sa nasabing engkwentro. Si Waywaya Macalma sa detalye.
Binibigyan ng karampatang medical atensyon ng AFP ang isang sumukong NPA sa naganap na operasyon ng militar laban sa New People's Army sa Kamiling, Tarlac na nagsimula Martes ng gabi. Ayon kay Lieutenant Colonel Ramon Zagala, dinala nila si June Mendoza sa AFP V. Luna Medical Center upang maoperahan ang kanyang paa dahil sa tama ng baril. Nakikipag-koordina si Mendoza sa otoridad ngayon upang malaman ang mga pagkakakilanlan ng 6 na mga nasawing mga rebelde.
He was immediately evacuated to Camp Aquino Hospital and then eventually brought to Viluna. In Viluna, they were able to operate on him yesterday, and they were able to put a brace, metal brace in his bone. I think that's a titanium brace in order to save his leg. And the doctors in Viluna are working to save his leg. So we're very hopeful that his body will accept the metal brace that was embedded so as to save his leg.
Tiniyak ng AFP na handa sila sa mga posibilidad na gumanti ang grupo dahil sa insidente. Samantala, umabot sa 74 na rebeldeng NPA ang na-neutralize sa militar para sa buwan ng Hulyo. 29 ang nasawi dahil sa operasyon ng militar. Kasama na rito ang 6 na namatay sa Kamiling, Tarlac. Habang 53 ang mga sumuko sa otoridad sa patuloy na pakikipag-ugnayan ng militar sa mga sibilyan.
Our success in the month of July, there are several activities there also that are indicated that some of the things that the New People's Army are doing, such as shooting, burning, liquidation, things they have done. We want to show you also the activities that they've been doing: burning, liquidation, such using of IED, harassment. The encounters that we were telling you is just part of the report that we also have incurred losses for this month. Soldiers also sacrifice their lives to ensure that we have a secure environment and that the gains we have for this month was not free. There are some soldiers who perished and wounded at the same time. We incurred losses also, but we have the upper hand against them.
Para sa telebisyon ng Bayan, Waywaya Macalma.